Here is a wonderful 2023 Subaru Outback. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 5,000 miles on the odometer. This comfortable and connected Outback answers the call of your adventurous spirit. Loaded with passenger amenities, this versatile compact SUV is eager to hit the road or the trail so you can follow your heart's desire. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: wireless charging station, pre-collision system, lane departure warning, hands-free liftgate, all-wheel drive, keyless entry, adaptive cruise control, premium sound system, fog lamps, power passenger seat. Rugged yet refined, that's the Outback. See for yourself when you take it for a test drive. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.